so y'all saw it. You know where we started. You know where we are now. We are going to be finishing up the workshop part of the garage. The first thing I did was just decided to put a pegboard on the wall because now we can organize the tools and everything much easier. I grabbed the pegboard from Lowe's, and then I grabbed all of the pegboard pieces that you see here from Amazon. I'll make sure I leave links for that if you guys are interested. Also from Amazon, I was able to find these shop lights, which are perfect. They are linkable lights and they are LED, super lightweight. You can link them up one to another. I ended up using 2 sets of lights, which were perfect. All you do is take your chain and hook it in. Then it comes with additional hooks to put into your ceiling. You will see here. And then once you get that all twisted and settled in, all you have to do is literally hang the lights in place. It was the easiest light install I've pretty much ever done. So after that, Antonio decided that he wanted a TV in here, which I was not opposed to because sometimes we spend a lot of time in the garage working on projects. It's good to be able to watch our shows and all of that good stuff. So we installed the television. And then, of course, I had to put my touch on it by adding just a little bit of decor, not much. So I pulled out my Cricut Joy and I made a sign for the shop. And then I also used my Cricut to label all of our bins. And now that the garage is all cleaned out and organized, I'm excited because I have a place where I can pull out my furniture projects like this one here. I can do my stain. I'll have a place for it to dry. But I'm mostly excited because Antonio and I have started our fitness journey. We have joined the 4 Week to Fit challenge group hosted by our friend Chris Cornet of Black Fitness Matters. We are getting our health back. Now we have a place where we can come and we can work out together and we have each other as support to complete this journey. If you guys are interested in joining the 4 Week to Fit challenge group or learning more about Black Fitness Matters, make sure you check the description box for the links. Also, if you want to keep up with Antonio and I's fitness journey, make sure you subscribe to NeesieandTone, our lifestyle channel, so you can keep up with everything NeesieandTone. But I really appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you so much, and I will see you on the next video.